Hey you guys, so today we'll be doing some miracle knots. I am going to be doing a color that I've never done before. This is a 2730 mix, and I do believe this is Burmese curly. This hair is from YG Wigs. I have 4 packets right here of 18-inch. And this, and I also got a crochet hook. We are just gonna jump straight into this. I'm not starting out on fresh braids. These have been in my hair for a little bit. Guys, I've just been wearing lots and lots of miracle knots. So these are my braids. They aren't fresh, but I feel like it'll look good just the same. I kind of like when my hair has looked a little lived in with the miracle knots. It makes it look more, I don't know, it gives it more of a vibe than when it's like super fresh. It's more flat. This just gives it more oomph. Hopefully that makes sense. And I don't know how many braids I have in. I do know that this is kind of like a medium. I'm gonna do a quick spin so y'all can see. Guys, I'm going in with some neat braids on my fingers just to help glide the hair. And because these braids aren't fresh, it's already like half, you know, half unraveled. I'm just gonna add the hair and then just start braiding in. And what I like with the crochet, you don't really have to know how to do feed ends because it's already on a string, so you just braid wherever. And if my braids were fully braided, I would have used a crochet hook to install the hair in the braid and then start braiding down. But I will braid down just until I get to the end of my hair. And I might do my hair different today. Usually I do them one at a time, and that takes me a little minute to do each braid while adding the pieces. I might just add the extensions to the entire head that I have left out, like add each crochet piece to the ends and then come back and add the pieces at the root and through the braid. Does that make sense? I hope I'm making sense. But yeah, see, we're just adding this one piece and braiding all the way down. I'm gonna take like the tiniest piece and kind of knot it on the braid and then just wrap it around and around in an upward motion just to secure the hair. Usually I just do the braid and leave it. I usually don't try to secure it, but you know what? We're gonna wrap it around a little bit to keep it together. I almost never do this. Yeah, boom. So that's one in, and we have a lot more to go. So I think I'm just gonna do the braiding part first, and then we add the crochet pieces in. Guys, I don't know why I thought I only had 4 packs. I actually have 5 packs. I already used 1 pack, and this is what we have so far. I did the half of my hair, and then I'm doing this side. What I'm doing in this, like pretty much this install, is braiding out the hair, like adding the hair on the ends, and then we're going back in with the crochet. So I will have a good amount of hair to do the crochet. So this is going to turn out so pretty. At first I was a little scared because the color, and then, you know, my hair is black, but I think it's going to look really good. I still have this upper part to do, but so far the color is bomb. This is with all the ends on. My arms hurt. Now we're gonna go in and add body and volume to the hair by adding the crochet to the roots and on the actual braids. But this was the hardest part. But the color looks so pretty. It looks better than what I expected. I have like a few strands left, so this is basically 4 packs of the hair. I do have a remaining pack left. I am gonna go in with some water. This hair needs a lot of water. Guys, these are my finished result. I did ended up using 4 out of 5 packs. This hair was sent to us by YG Wigs. I also went in and used my scissors just to cut a little bit of layers in the hair so it just wasn't just all on one level. I do like the hair. The hair is still kind of damp. It isn't fully dry yet, but this hair is really full, y'all. Like, she is giving thick, okay? And honestly, I don't know where in my head I could add another bundle. So if you buy this hair, you definitely will have extra hair left over. I do like the color. I was a little nervous at first, but I do like the color. I think the style turned out pretty cute. Straight on up, like you can't even tell just by looking that it's braids, and then, you know, like, surprise, like we have some braids in. This is such a cute style, and this would be great for vacation because this hair, it's human hair, so you can wet it, you can do whatever you want. And guys, when I wear hair like this, I usually just like rinse it in the shower, not like my scalp, but like rinse the hair and put a little bit of like conditioner in it, and that's how I wear it. Right now I have a little bit of mousse on it and a little bit of gel, only because it wasn't like co-washed or anything. But once I rinse it out in the shower, I just usually leave it with a little bit of conditioner and nothing else. And yeah, that's the vibe, that's the look. Let me know if you guys like this hair, and if you are interested in this hair, then definitely check out the description box down below. All the links will be down in the description box. And I keep touching my hair, let me stop. But yeah guys, let me know what y'all think. So much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also leave me a comment. That helps my channel. It pushes me out to the algorithm. Catch you guys in my next one. Bye.